Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing how I pack my bag for my travels. So during my travels I carry two bags. One contains all my luggage. The second is a messenger bag which contains essentials which I need to take out and show people. For example, a place to keep my phones, my tab and other documents which are required when I'm traveling. Now these are what I'm going to be carrying. I'll just quickly show you. My t-shirts, my innerwear, these are my night clothes and an extra jeans. Considering Corona, I'm carrying different masks and this fellow gets out of the way. This is my kit which I'm going to be having all my toiletries in. I like this in particular because this is very useful when I'm putting it in hotels. I'll show you at the hotel when I put it up. This contains a shaving kit and shampoo, my toothpaste and toothbrushes here, and soap. And all this in a nice convenient little package. So if any of you are frequent flyers, you know that they don't allow you to take more than 100 ml of any liquid in a bottle or any kind of container. So I use this, which is a nice thin pouch which has I think 20 ml, 17 ml, and I have a few of these which I carry around and I use it instead of using perfumes. Again, the security is very strict in airports and they do not allow you to carry large bottles of liquid. This is convenient and it works, so why not? The other thing I always carry, my hydration agent. In case you guys don't know, I am a cyclist, link here, my other channel, and I usually make sure that I am hydrated well enough. So in case I'm tired or anything, I usually just take a pill of these. As I told you guys, I carry two bags. One is my backpack with all my luggage, and this is my messenger bag with all the other things. So what goes into this? Let me show you. So this contains a face shield, some candy, and it also will have my tab, my phone, a Bluetooth speaker, camera, the camera that I am using right now, my headphones, and my charging cable. All this goes into this bag. Today, thanks to Corona, sanitizer is always part of it. It's put to the outside of my bag so I can use it whenever I want. Well, that's the end of the video. Now I have to download all this footage onto my laptop, edit it, upload it for you guys so that you guys can comment and let me know what you guys think. Do you have any other tips and tricks while packing? Do share below, comment and let me know. That's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.